Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2014 Toyota Camry license plate light. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove the trunk trim access panel to reach the light assembly, then gently twist and pull the socket to release it. Replace the bulb with an appropriate 12V bulb, test the light, and reassemble trim and battery connection, ensuring everything is secure and functioning. Gather the needed tools before you start to keep the job quick and safe. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a replacement 12V bulb designed for a Toyota Camry. Wear gloves to protect the bulb from oils and keep a clean workspace. Having a flashlight and a small container for screws helps prevent losing small parts during reassembly. Also have the vehicle manual for bulb specifications and torque notes. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brightens your garage or workspace with clear audio while you work on the Camry, and it responds hands-free to timers and music. It fits small spaces and pairs with phone assistance for step prompts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Open the trunk and pull back the trunk liner to expose the light housing. Remove any retaining clips or screws using the screwdriver or 10mm socket, then twist the light assembly counterclockwise to remove it. Pull the bulb straight out, replace with a new 12V bulb, and test the light before reassembly. Reinstall the assembly, secure clips, and reconnect the battery, confirming the plate light illuminates correctly. Tighten screws to hand snug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.